Today, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 from USB flash drive. Also, how to format and do a clean installation of Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. If you have any questions or suggestion, let me know by leaving a comment below right now. I will try my best to answer as soon as possible. So, what is a clean installation? A clean installation of Windows 11 is the process of completely removing the data of the computer's hard drive, and installing a fresh copy of the OS to configure it like a new laptop or desktop computer. In this video, I will explain each and every step to do a clean installation of Windows 11, whether you are setting up a new computer or upgrading from Windows 10 or an older version. So, let's get started. Step number 1, create a backup. You should always create a backup of your entire device before proceeding with a clean installation of OS. Unless you have nothing important you want to keep. If you want to back up your small files like documents, pictures, and other important files, you can upload the data to OneDrive or another cloud storage service. And if you have a lot of files, uploading to the cloud will be expensive and time-consuming. If so, the alternative best option would be to copy the files to an external USB hard drive. To create a backup manually, connect a drive with enough storage, and follow me. Go to Start, search for this PC and click on it. Type %home path % in the address bar and press Enter. Click on the Select All button from the Home tab. Click on the Copy to button. Select the Choose Location option. Select the external USB that you have inserted. Finally, click the Copy button to copy all these files to your external storage device. After you complete the steps, safely eject and remove the USB drive from your PC. Step number 2, System Requirements. You may already have a computer running Windows 10, that doesn't mean it will run Windows 11. Microsoft is increasing the minimum system requirements for installing Windows 11 to ensure security, performance, and stability on a PC. If your device does not meet these requirements, you may not be able to install official Windows 11 on your device, and might want to consider buying a new PC. Confused about what a TPM is? Well, TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module, is an international standard for a secure crypto processor, a dedicated microcontroller designed to secure hardware through integrated cryptographic keys. If your PC has a TPM and is not enabled yet, then check the link in the description to enable TPM 2.0 on your PC. To check the Windows 11 system requirements. The best way to check whether your computer is ready for installing Windows 11 is to run Microsoft PC Health Check tool. Open the link given in the description. Once you land on this website, scroll down to the bottom. And click on Download PC Health Check app. After downloading, click on the Windows PC Health Check setup file. A window will appear. Click the box, I accept the terms in the license agreement option. Click on the Install button. Now the installation process has been started. Make sure this box is checked. Click on the Finish button. Microsoft PC Health Checker window will appear. Click on the Check Now button, under the Introducing Windows 11 section. If your PC is compatible with Windows 11, you will see a green checkmark followed by "This PC meets Windows 11 requirements." Otherwise, you'll get an error message that says, "This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements." Step number 3, check Windows 10 edition. Before installing any edition of Windows 11, we have to check which edition is already installed on our computer, so that after the installation process, Windows will reactivate automatically. To confirm Windows 10 edition, open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Activation. Under the Windows section, check the Windows edition and confirm the activation. And install the same edition of Windows 11, so that it can be activated without any problems. Step number 4, download Windows 11. In this step, we'll see how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file to your PC. If you already have the installation ISO file, you can probably skip this step. Open the link given in the description. Once you land on this website, you will see there are 3 options for installing or creating Windows 11 media. Number 1. Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Number 2. Create Windows 11 installation media. Number 3. Download Windows 11 disk image, ISO. In this video, we will use second method to download Windows 11. Click on the Download Now button. When the download is complete, run the executable file. You don't need to install it because the program runs without being installed. Now, click on the Accept button. You can checkmark this option, use the recommended options for this PC. Otherwise, you can select the language of your choice. Select edition. There is only one option showing at the time of the making of this video. Now click Next, and choose the option ISO file. Click on the Next button, and choose a location on your computer to download the ISO image file, such as your desktop folder. Make sure you have enough space to download the Windows 11 ISO file, then click on the Save button. Now it will download the Windows 11 ISO file. It would be approximately 5.12 gigabytes. Now let's move to the next step. Step number 5, create installation media. Once you have downloaded the ISO file, you need special software to create a bootable USB flash drive with it. Simply copying the ISO image file to the USB will not work. There are various programs that you can use to create a bootable USB flash drive in Windows OS, such as Windows USB/DVD tool. In this video, we'll use a free Windows program called Rufus. Please note that these steps will completely overwrite the data on your USB flash drive. All existing data on the USB flash drive will be deleted. To create Windows 11 bootable media, open any web browser and go to the Rufus website. Scroll down to the Download section, and select Rufus. When the download is complete, run the Rufus executable file. This program also does not need to be installed. If your USB flash drive is not inserted, insert it now. Rufus would recognize it immediately. To use Rufus, to create a Windows 11 USB installer, you must have a flash drive of at least 8 GB of space. Click on the Select button, under the Boot selection. Select the Windows ISO file that you just downloaded, and click on the Open button. If your computer includes a legacy BIOS, select the MBR partition scheme and BIOS, or UEFI SysM option for the target system. Otherwise, leave it to default settings. Under the volume label field, enter the name that you want. For example, Windows 11. The Rufus status line will say Ready. To write the ISO to your USB flash drive, click on the Start button. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB will be destroyed. If you have any important files on the USB drive, this is your last chance to cancel and back up your files. To proceed, click on the OK button. The process of ISO writing to the USB flash drive will be started. And it should only take a few minutes to complete the task. Once the progress bar turns fully green, and the status line says Ready again, this means Rufus has successfully created the bootable installation media of Windows 11. Click on the Close button to exit Rufus. Step number 6. Change boot order on firmware and enable TPM. Every computer provides a way to enter the BIOS setup. This interface allows you to configure the basic settings of your computer. You must have a keyboard to enter the BIOS setup. The mouse cursor does not work in BIOS. Computers manufactured in the last few years allow you to enter the BIOS setup using one of the 5 keys shown in this image during the boot process. F1, F2, F10, Delete, Escape. F1, F2, and F10 are all function keys on the top of the keyboard. If pressing F2 opens a diagnostics tool, your setup key is likely to be F10. F10 is also used for the boot menu. If F10 opens a boot menu, your setup key is likely to be F2. If you're not sure of what key to press, as the computer boots, try pressing and holding one or more keys on the keyboard. If you are still unable to enter the BIOS using these methods, check the link given in the description for the appropriate keys of the popular motherboards to enter BIOS. Step number 6, clean install Windows 11. Warning, this is another friendly reminder that this process will erase everything on your PC. Before proceeding, it's always recommended to make a backup of your computer. Start the PC with Windows 11 USB flash drive. On prompt, press any key to boot from the USB. On the Windows setup, if your language, time and currency format, and keyboard are showing different from the default selections, make sure to select the correct settings before proceeding. Click on the Next button to continue. Click on the Install Now button. If you have a product key, or want to change the edition of your Windows 11, then enter the product key. Otherwise, click on the I don't have a product key option to continue. Select the edition of Windows 11, if applicable. And click on the Next button. Please note the edition of your Windows 11 must be matched your earlier installed Windows 10 edition, or Windows 11 activation key. If you do not select the correct edition, Windows 11 won't activate, and you will have to redo the entire process again. Check the box, I accept the license terms and conditions. Click on the Next button to continue. Select the Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced option, to continue with a clean installation of Windows 11. Please note that the best practice to install Windows 11 is to select the partition with the current installation of Windows OS, and format only that partition. Otherwise, if your drive has multiple partitions, you have to select and delete each partition to allow the setup to use the entire drive for the new setup. The Windows 11 setup will create the required partitions automatically during the process. Also, it is not necessary to delete the partitions on secondary drives. Click on the Next button to start the installation of the official Windows 11. After you complete the steps, the setup will install a fresh copy of Windows 11 on your laptop or desktop computer. Once the installation is over, you will have the new interface called Windows 11 Out-of-Box Experience. This is the phase of Windows setup that allows you to customize your Windows 11 experience. Some of the tasks you can accomplish with it include defining personalized settings, keyboard layout settings, PC name, and define privacy settings. To complete the out-of-box experience on Windows 11, select your region and click on the Yes button. Select your keyboard layout settings. Click on the Skip button, unless you need to select a second layout. Enter the device name. Enter a password. Confirm a password. Now, add 3 security questions for your device. Choose the privacy settings for your device. Click on the Accept button, it will automatically restart your PC. And you will see a welcome message. Once the installation is completed, you should check any available system and driver updates, and confirm that Windows 11 is properly activated. To check any available system updates, open Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update category. Click on the Check for Updates button. If the updates are available, it will download and install automatically. Now, let's confirm whether Windows 11 is activated correctly or not. To check activation, open Settings. Click on the System. Scroll down and click the Activation category. Click on the Activation state. If Windows 11 is activated successfully, one of the following messages would appear. Windows is activated with a digital license. Or Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. If your Windows 11 is not activated, do not worry. The system will try to reactivate at a later time. So, I hope this video helped your query that how to install Windows 11 from USB flash drive. If you like this video, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Now I would like to hear from you. What's helped you to install Windows 11 from USB flash drive? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.